How to upload 4K video on YouTube. This tutorial shows you how to upload high-quality videos to maintain the best resolution on your channel. First, make sure your video is recorded in 4K resolution, which is 3840 by 2160 pixels. Next, open the YouTube app on your Android device. Following that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center to create a new upload. Now, tap on Upload a Video to select a video from your gallery. Moving forward, browse through your files and select the 4K video you want to upload. Afterwards, tap Next after selecting your video file. In addition to that, add a title, description, and tags that accurately describe your 4K content. Once there, tap on Advanced Settings to access quality options. Subsequently, scroll down and make sure your video is set to public, unlisted, or scheduled based on your preference. Moreover, YouTube will automatically process your video in multiple resolutions, including 4K if the original file is 4K. Afterwards, keep in mind that 4K processing takes longer than standard HD videos. Then, tap Upload or Post to begin uploading your high-quality video to YouTube. Within the upload process, you'll see a progress bar showing how much has been uploaded. Alternatively, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi for faster uploads, since 4K files are very large. Once uploaded, YouTube will process the video starting with lower resolutions like 360p and 480p first. Then, wait a few hours for YouTube to finish processing the full 4K resolution, which will appear as 2160p in the quality settings. And that's it! If this 4K upload guide helped you share high-quality content on YouTube, drop a like, subscribe for more YouTube creator tips, and hit the bell icon to stay notified. See you in the next one!